Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel, everyone. In my last video, I promised I will make my next video on how to prep cocoyam or ede from scratch without the use of mortar, without stress, especially for those in the diaspora. So this is exactly what cocoyam, known as ede, looks like. Now ede is used in cooking, in thickening different soups, traditional soups in Nigeria, like bitterleaf soup, or oha soup, leaf soup, or okazi soup. But how do you prep this? It is mostly prepped with mortar, but in this video I will share with you my own tips on how to use prep this without stress, everyone. So this is what ede looks like. You can see the skin. I want to show you this so that if you want to get it from the market, you know exactly what you are buying. So this is what it looks like. This one is not the one you eat with palm oil. It is for soup. Just tell them you want to use it for thickening your soup, they will give you this exact one. So to begin with, we transfer it into a clean water, and then take your time to wash the skin because it has some rough skin. And remember, this is gotten from the ground, so there is sounds, and there are lots of particles that you have to remove because we are cooking it with the skin. You don't peel it. If you peel it, you're not going to really get you peel off the skin, the part that you would need more. So we rather boil it with the skin. So for that reason, we need to give it a proper wash, making sure there is no sand. So wash until the water is clean, this like this, and the skin is properly clean. The next thing we're going to do right now is to put it on fire. Put it on fire in medium to high flame, everyone. Allow to cook until it is soft, and that is about 40 to an hour. Then after cooking it, this is exactly what it looks like. To know if it is properly cooked, take fork or a knife edge, just like what I just did now. Once you are able to remove it, to pick it up from the pot with that it is properly cooked, turn it into a clean water, cool water, such that your hand can easily remove it, then begin to peel it. Now some prefer to pick it up and begin to use their fingers to peel off the skin, but that is stress. Look at what I'm doing right now on the screen. It's super easy. Once you pick any of the seed, try to use pressure to press the tip. It just comes out so easily, exactly what you see on the screen. So I'll be repeating this process until all the cooked ede is peeled off. It's super easy, everyone. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, everyone. If this is your first time, you are highly welcome. Don't forget to like my videos and subscribe. So now, without the use of mortar, we are replacing the use of mortar with a blender. You might begin to wonder, will this blend very well? Because when you pound, you still have some lumps. But watch and find out if there will be lumps after blending. So after transferring this into your blender, add water to cover it a bit, and then begin to blend. Blend until it is fine and well smooth. So keep watching because I'm going to be pouring it out to show you exactly what it looks like after blending. Let's find out if there are lumps or not, because what I know with the one we pound, there's always lumps in it, and sometimes those lumps don't melt in the soup. It remains that way, so you end up sometimes eating them in the soup. But what about this method? Let's find out. So I'm opening it to show you what it looks like as it blends, and continue to blend. So we blend almost to 10 minutes, but blend until it is smooth. So you see how it's turning out to be super creamy, like yogurt, everyone. Okay, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you're returning, thanks for returning back. Don't forget to like my video, share my videos, And I love it when you watch and comment. Your comment goes a long way. It tells me you are supporting my channel. It tells me that there's something you want to learn and also you want to share. So I love to drop tips. So when you learn from my tips, please share it at the comment section. It helps my video. So after blending everyone, let's look at what it looks like. Wow, everyone, look at this. This looks like an ice cream. Super smooth, everyone, and the consistency is superb, everyone. It is not light, it is not so thick. I couldn't believe that the blender could do this, because with mortar you will have lumps, but the blender blends it super smooth and creamy. Now you may begin to wonder, will this be able to thicken the soup? I'll be sharing with you. Don't go away. I'll share with you how I'm going to use this in the soup. And if you want to learn more, my last video on how to make ora according to the Anambra style, I use this. So watch the video and see how the ora soup comes out. So you'll be able to know if it's going to thicken it or not, everyone. So this is me adding it up to the soup stock I made for the oha. And now you want to know what happens after adding this. Add and then cover your pot, and just within 3 to 5 minutes, open the pot and see what happens. Everything has melted, and this is how the oha soup comes out. It comes out super yummy and delicious, everyone. So please try this method, especially those of you outside. You don't need mortar. You don't say, because I don't have mortar I can't use cocoyam to thicken my soup, and you love to use cocoyam. Remember, cocoyam is a very healthy fiber. It's super healthy, so using it to thicken your soup instead of offal is very good. So a full video on how to cook the oha that I just showed you, please watch my next video. Watch my last upload, everyone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share my videos to your friends and family, and don't forget to watch the ads. All right, thanks for your generous support. Stay safe, stay connected, everyone, and see you all in my next video. Bye for now.